Hi, if you want to draw a cube, first of all, start by drawing a square. Don't mind if the lines are not straight, you straighten them with a ruler. And then mark the 3 points, these are the centers, on the 3 sides of the square. Make another square. It should be the same size as the first one. Then you join all your 4 points. Ta-da! This is how you draw a cube. You can now take a ruler to straighten all your lines or your outlines. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe and keep on watching. Thank you very much.